Hi guys, it's Lexie and I have no makeup on right now, which is why I might look a little bit dead, but today I just decided I would go ahead and hop on the bandwagon of the whole I tried doing like blanks makeup tutorial. I've been watching a lot of them and I am very challenged when it comes to makeup. I just don't know what to do. I always wear the same look every day, but today I wanted to try out a makeup tutorial from my favorite YouTuber, Hitomi Mochizuki. If you don't know her, you totally should. I love her videos so much. She does a lot about like spirituality and veganism and vlogs and travel, and 10 out of 10 recommend. I really love her, and she's only done like a few makeup tutorials, but I wanted to try out her easy pixie makeup because I thought that one would be a super fun one to do. I'm going out later. I'm actually going to like a classical music concert for my brother, and may look a little out of place, but you know, that's okay because if I love how it looks, that's what matters. I will link the original down below, so if you actually want to recreate it, you have a reliable source to do that. Okay, sorry. I just want to put on a little bit of concealer before I start so I look a little more lively. This is not cruelty-free. I'm switching to all cruelty-free makeup, but I'm just using up everything that's not right now, and honestly, it's not that good either. My mirror is green, so I feel like it's just gonna float away into my backdrop, but you know, that's okay. It's what we're working with today. I feel like lately, like my eye bags have been getting worse than usual, which is kind of weird because I'm getting around the same amount of sleep. But I don't know, if you have any good product recommendations, you should let me know below. I've been loving this one eye cream that has like avocado oil in it.
I'm not a beauty guru, so it's kind of rough and sloppy, but whatever.
Same though.
I start off just adding a bunch of blush. This is very important.
Okay.
Just add all over the apples of my
She's starting by putting blush all over her cheeks, so that is what I'm going to do right now. And then also like the tip of her nose, she said, is really important, so we're gonna try for that. I never really wear blush, so I don't really know how to put this on. I'm gonna try and like copy what she's doing. I'm using this Laura Geller pink rose blush. I'm gonna try and go like this. I don't know. My dog's barking, so I'm sorry about that. I feel like when I put on blush, it just looks like I'm like really hot, like sweaty, you know? But maybe that's the look we're going for. I'm not so sure. Speaking of my dog barking, a little scary, not scary, but just like strange incident that happened last night actually. My mom got up at like 5 a.m. because Opal was barking like profusely, and there was a car parked in our front driveway, and then as soon as she turned like the lights on outside, like, you know, the little house lights, the car immediately like backed up and drove off, and it was 5 in the morning and they were just sitting there in their car. So don't really know what to make of that. It's probably nothing, but you know, I'm just oversharing because that's my life.
and I also added on the tip of my nose.
Nose too, okay.
For that fairy, woodland fairy kind of look.
It's on the tip of my nose. I don't know if it just looks like I have like a stuffy nose or what, but it's okay, it's okay. I don't know if this is too much blush or if it's too little. I'm gonna try and add a little bit more. My skin is so pale. Got my highlighter now.
I really need to, but I'll put some alternative highlighters in the description box.
So now she basically just put a bunch of highlighter on like this part of your face, don't even know, cheekbones, I think that's what I'm looking for, and then the tip of her nose. So I'm gonna try and go for that. I'm using this Laura Geller Gilded Honey. This is more of a gold tone, and the tutorial seems to be a little bit more cool toned, but this is what I'm working with. I have some like purple glitter to use at the end, so that'll hopefully make it look more like hers. Wait, where's the highlight supposed to be? Like right here? I'm just like using my fingers to blend it all out. I think she used like a cream one and I'm using like a powder one, so it's a little harder to blend. I've always loved when people have like the little nose highlight, and it's the cutest thing ever, and their nose looks like so snatched, but never been able to do that. I need to stop talking so negative. Oh wow, it's pretty sparkly. Am I sparkly enough yet? Can't really tell. Her highlighter, I feel like it's really just like popping. You can see it from far away, so that is the goal of where I want to get mine at. So I think I'm gonna try and put a little bit more of this highlighter on the cheekbones, going back and forth over that area. You know, A for effort. So we're moving on to eyeshadow now.
Using Sin from the Naked palette. Once again, this is an old makeup product, and this is the only palette that I own, but I just put that all over my lid.
Oh my gosh, I used to wear this palette like every day, and Sin and Buck was like my go-to combination.
I use a little bit of smog from this palette in my
crease
to give it some definition, and then I'm going underneath my brows.
But I'm just gonna get that all in my crease and try my best to blend it. I rarely wear eyeshadow because I feel like I don't know how to blend it properly. Wow, okay, I think I put a little too much. I think I need a wipe. Tried my best to clean it up a little bit, but you know, when she said later in the video that you could put on fake lashes, but I don't have any, so I'm just gonna put on my favorite mascara. It is the Pacifica Dream Big Mascara. Can't wait to edit this and just like see my mirror float away. See, the number one thing I love about this mascara is how easy it comes off at the end of the day, which is why I'm a little scared for the next step of putting glitter on my face. There we go.
That is the base, that's all you need, and then go in with your glitter. These are like little flakes that I got from the dollar store.
Oh, I like hers better.
Push them onto my
They're
skin
beautiful.
and they stay there because of the creaminess of the highlighter. Like I said, coconut oil has worked, and it's okay that it makes your skin shiny because that kind of adds to the very ethereal look.
Okay.
And you can also use a priming moisturizer, any like creamy product that you have that will make your skin kind of dewy will work.
Should I put on some moisturizer first? Probably should, right? I think I'm just gonna use this little Pores No More moisturizer primer thing, basically just to give the glitter a base to stick onto, because right now my skin's kind of dry. Putting it up here, okay. You know, I think this might have gone good if I put it on before I put the highlighter on. Now I'm just taking this craft glitter from Hobby Lobby in this lavender color. It's extra fine glitter in true lavender, and I'm just gonna like kind of pat it over my face. Ooh, it's like kind of sandy for some reason. I like the color though. Wow, okay, that is very sparkly.
The look, so I added a little bit more on my lid and made a little bit of an asymmetrical look.
I also have this Bella Pierre Cosmetics like opal colored glittery powder. It's in the shade Excite, so I think I'm gonna put that on top too to get more of like a translucent kind of look. I don't know if that makes sense, but yeah, I want a little more sparkly than what this glitter is doing for me. Ooh, this is really pretty. Like, it's like a grinder. Ooh, okay, yeah, that's super shimmery. Is this working? I can't tell. I feel like that little girl with the purple eyeshadow from that Vine, you know? And she put little pearls in her inner corners, which I think is so cute, but I don't have that, so I'm just gonna make it a little more sparkly instead and put some glitter in my inner corner. Okay, I don't know what this brush is supposed to be used for because it's kind of painful, but hey, it's getting the job done. Okay, so now I'm just gonna add some more blush, like she said, because I do agree, I feel like it makes you feel alive. That really does signify like blood flowing in your skin, so it makes sense that it would make you feel more alive. I think I followed all the steps, and this is what we have. So this is the completed look. Hitomi, she's beautiful, so talented. I loved the video. I loved this kind of makeup look on other people, but for some reason on me, basically like the great value version of any Coachella look. So I'm gonna say that my recreation of this was a fail, but I hope you guys enjoyed watching me attempt it. I will link her original video down below. If you guys could like tweet this to her or comment on her Instagram or videos, I don't know. If you guys could get Hitomi to see this, I would cry. But I think I'm gonna go and make some Buddha bowls or vegan mac and cheese right now. I don't know which one. So let me know what you want to see for a vegan cooking video soon. If you like this video, feel free to give it a like. Let me know down below. I would love to have a conversation with you. Let me know how your day is going. Subscribe if you'd like to see more videos, and I will see you guys hopefully next week. And yeah, that's gonna be it. Bye!